Okay, so before this video starts here, I want to tell you that it may be disturbing to some people. If you don't like seeing animals in traps, don't watch this. I'm going to show you how to release a domestic animal from a trap if you've caught a non-target animal and you wish to just let it go. Now, the safest thing to do with any animal that's in a trap is to put it down, shoot it. But I couldn't bring myself to do that with this dog, so I let it go. Stay with me. There we go. There we go. Okay. There you go. You okay? You okay? Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. You okay? Are you okay? A sore paw, huh? Where are you gonna go now? All right, so that's kind of the ugly truth on a trap line. Every once in a while, you're gonna get a non-target animal. In this case, a domestic dog. Now, catch my breath here for a second. It's pretty cold out here today. There's not a house probably within a half a mile of this location right here. So it's a stray dog. It had a collar on. And really what you should do, the safest thing to do when you approach a domestic dog in a trap is to shoot it. Especially if you're in a wildlife area or on private property like this. And you don't know the animal. I've never seen that dog before in my life. But I can't bring myself to shoot a dog that seems like it's being non-aggressive. And the fact is, the reason I covered that dog up to take that trap off its foot was because you never know what's going to happen if the animal becomes suddenly in pain from pulling a trap off its foot or something. It could bite you. So I covered it up. Got the trap off its foot the best I could. It's cold. Trap was frozen. It was difficult to get that thing to move and get it off the animal's foot. But the dog's free now and he'll be fine. It caught him right here where it was supposed to. It was a perfect catch as far as a canine catch goes. And that dog will be fine. He's gonna have a sore foot for a few days, but he'll be fine.